Feels like I'm standing in timeless dreams of light mists with pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud of heavenly scent, touching, discovering you. Those days of warm rains come rushing back to me. Miles of windless summer night air.
Har, thank you for the unconditional love. Thank you for all the sacrifice for us. I promise to be a good wife. I promise to be a good mother to our son. I love you.
Words, say it. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. You've got the most
Sel. First of all, I thanks God for giving this time. Nga na dayon gud man ang aton nga wedding. Apigit ko katama with supports of our family. I promise you to be a good partner and good father to our son. Thank you so much and I love you.
First of all, thanks God nga natayo man ang inyong kasal. Kag pamiligay sa itong mga family, sa mga kapaman. I-assure yung ngayon sa husband. Hindi ko na. I'll try my best na maging mabuti lalo na sa ating mga anak being a good father. Thank you sa pagtanggap mo nila ako. I love you.
Okay, palapakan namin. Nakaman si Harry. Namuha ka ni Harry na speech mo ng grabe ko ba yan. Ang sige.